Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add text to your videos using FilmoraPro. Let's open FilmoraPro on my computer. Create a new blank project. This is my default settings for my YouTube video. Click OK to start. There are two ways to add text to your videos using FilmoraPro. The first way is to click on the T button at the bottom left corner of the preview window. Then, click on any point on the preview window. As you can see that a new text layer is created on the editing timeline. Now you can type the text you want to add to your video right at the preview window. Let's type my channel name as an example. To customize the text, you need to highlight it by dragging your mouse, or press Ctrl A on your keyboard. Then, go to FilmoraPro text editor to edit the text like the way you want. You can change the font of the text. Increase the size. Change the color of the text. Click on the selection tool to move the text around the screen. Rotate the text visually when you click and hold your left mouse cursor at this anchor point. You can also double-click on the text to highlight it. There are more text options in the text editor for those of you who want to have more control of your text title, such as increase the height of the text. Increase the letter's width. You can also add text outline border too. Being mentioned that with FilmoraPro, you can add as many outline borders as you want. Like video and image, you will have more control of the text at the Control tab in FilmoraPro, where you can select a blending mode for the text at the Clip Properties option. Or adjust its anchor point, position, scale, rotation and opacity at the Transform tab. That's the first way to add text to video in FilmoraPro. The other way is to select a text title preset in FilmoraPro. To do that, click on this text title button. Select one of these templates. Click Import to bring it into the media library. Then, drag and drop it onto the timeline to create a new text layer. By doing this, you have imported a title preset with built-in animation and text format into FilmoraPro. Then you can highlight the text and customize it like what I have just done with FilmoraPro Text Editor. Or, you can go to the Control tab, and edit the text and its animation effect. That's how you can add text to your videos in FilmoraPro. If you have any question, let me know at the comments section below. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you in my next tutorials. Bye for now.